Okay, we're going to go ahead and make the bottom of the birdhouse. So of course you'll need a pencil and paper to sketch out your multi-view of the bottom part and follow the links to read out the measurements. So we have the bottom, for example, which is, let's see, we get pinched in between here, going greater than 1 inches. And then we're going to count the increments. So we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're 1.5, and then 0, dead on the 0. So that's 1.500 inches. So make sure you write that down. And we'll head on back to our drawing. You're going to do the same thing for the other two parts. And then you're going to go ahead and we're going to create this using Onshape. So let's go ahead and create that. The bottom should be the first part you make. I strongly recommend making the bottom first. It makes the rest of the assignment pretty easier. Pretty easier. Hey, take it easy on me. English is my first language. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make this part over here. And so we're going to go ahead and try to make it in the natural position. So we'll start a sketch. And we're just going to draw a rectangle and we'll extrude it up. We're going to draw it as it's sitting for the bottom. So let's go ahead and make that full size so I can see. We're going to go ahead and make a sketch. And like I said, we're going to, this is lying down on the table. This is the bottom of the birdhouse. So we'll draw it as it sits on as it will be sitting on the table. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn the planes normal, hit the N key on the keyboard and the P key on the keyboard. We're going to draw a rectangle. Now you took measurements. I didn't. So I'm just going to go ahead and make some measurements up for this. You're going to need to use the measurements from your sketch. We'll go ahead and make this 2 by 3. Again, you're going to need to use the measurements from your sketch that you are doing in the reverse engineering project. I'm just showing you how the basic tools work. So we're going to go ahead and rename that. Why not? I like renaming things. We'll call that bottom. Then we're going to extrude that. The thickness that we measured, which was whatever we measured. I don't know what you're going to measure. So you have to go ahead and check your sketches again. Check your sketches. We'll use 1/4 inch just for this project. So there you go. There's the bottom. So we just made the bottom. And we'll rename that part bottom. And that's it. So we go ahead and on back to our bottom. And we can go back to our exploded view. So click on this button right here to get you back to your exploded view. You go on to make your next part.